nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
You lost a bomb ass bitch, killing like Rihanna, hair like Ariana, thick like a grandma. Hope you're happy with Melania, cause you lost Michelle Obama. Eat it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nikki. Welcome to my channel. Today is just, I felt like filming a look to redeem myself from that crappy look I did yesterday for Face Chart Friday. I know people said they like it, but I still, like, when even watching it back, I didn't like it, but that's just me. I'm my own worst critic. Anyway, today I'm going to do a quick look. I am meeting my friend for coffee and to play with her daughters because they're so freaking cute. So I'm going to just be using the Morphe. This is the Your True Selfie palette, 15T. And I'm obsessed with this palette. I love this palette so much. So today I'm going to be using the shades. Of course I'm going to show them as I use them. Woke Up Like This. Well, Strike a Pose first. Woke Up Like This. Morphe Babe. And a little bit of Blend the Rules. So yeah. Just a simple look today with those 4 colors. Maybe 5. Maybe I'll use no filter needed. Not sure yet. Seeing as how I don't wish blindness on anyone, I always cover the mirror because the ring light, it'll hurt you. So the first shade I'm going to go into is Strike a Pose, which is this shade right here. And then after that I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is Woke Up Like This. Then I'm going to take Morphe Babe, which is this shade here. Then a little bit of Blend the Rules. And maybe no filter needed in the corner. Maybe. We'll see. So that was Strike a Pose. Now I'm going to go into Woke Up Like This on my unicorn horn brush. And on a smaller unicorn brush, I am going to take that red shade Morphe Babe and put it here. On a angled mermaid brush, I'm going to take that shimmery orange red shade Blend the Rules and pop that in my inner corners. So I am going to use Blend the Rules, but only a little bit, and I'm going to use it to highlight all of this area underneath. Now, if you're new to my channel, I rarely do my full face on camera unless I'm doing full face glam because everybody has their own way of doing their foundation and all that stuff. So then I feel like, you know, you're just here for this anyway, usually. So yeah, I don't film that part. Now I'm going to go to the lower lash line. The lower lash line, I'm just going to use that red shade Morphe Babe because I've been into reds lately. A lot, actually. Maybe a little too much. but you know, it's totally fine. What are you gonna do? And I have to do the blender rules again. Ow. Also, my friend's daughter, the oldest one, she likes when I wear reds. She said that she likes reds on me because it's very pretty. So I figured I'd do a red look just for her. Her name is Ginny. She's so cute. Well, that's her English name. And she is 8 years old. Korean age 8. But she's really 7. But anyway. Now it's time to pick a lip. And of course, if you watched the video from yesterday or last night, well, last night for me, I finally got my hands on the Disney designer Tiana lipstick from ColourPop. So that's what we're going to be wearing today. I feel like it goes well with my shirt and the eye look. And yes, I am wearing my Hey on T Black Panther Eric Killmonger shirt. Don't judge me. I love that movie. And this is such a pretty red. So I didn't put as much lip moisturizer on so that it's not as shiny. I should have put a lip liner on first. I'm not great with bullet lipsticks, I'm not gonna lie. This just feels weird. I mean, I have like 2 lip ammunitions and a Kat Von D lipstick that I don't even use. It doesn't have that weird lips like that. You know, you bought some lipsticks and they smell all chemically with a hint of perfume. It actually smells nice. Do it old school like my mom used to do. Fold a napkin and do it. It's not even. Okay, there we go. Now it's even. So I just sprayed my face with setting spray, and I'm using this cool little Han Solo fan that my friend Brianna got me here in Korea to set it. I know I sprayed a lot. I look crazy. But the look is finished. I curled my hair a bit, just a little, not too much. Oh, except for this piece, obviously. I did get it. But like, I just did some big curls. I'm gonna run my fingers through it. You know how that goes. That is it for this video. That's just a quick little fun little look. Because I'm obsessed with that Your True Selfie palette, not gonna lie. I love it. I love it so much. Anyway, that's it. That's all. I think my next video is gonna be Monday. I'm gonna be doing another palette vibe review update thing. Like I just did a couple days ago. Seems people liked it, so I'm gonna do another one on another ColourPop palette. So anyway, that's it for this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye.